Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to create a very simple and cool project which is built using JavaScript. So this is the live preview of that project which we are going to create in this tutorial. So whenever you will click anywhere in the whole body, the color of this particular image will change. So this is the image I'm using right now. As you can see, this is the simple image. I'm using this image and whenever I will click anywhere in the body, the color of this car is changing. So I'm doing this using JavaScript and I'm assigning random colors to this car. So this is a very cool project. You can also add a button over here so that when someone click on this particular button, the color of that image will change accordingly. So this project is just for a demo purpose. You can update this later on. So let's get started. This is the folder in which I'm going to work. So first of all, let me open this in my VS Code. So now I will create a file named index.html, and in this file I will write all the HTML and JavaScript and CSS code together. I'm going to write all the code in this file, but you can use separate files for CSS and JavaScript as well. So this is the basic structure of HTML. Let me rename it as color changer. And in the body, first of all, I will add image. And this image can be any image, but I'm using this image right now. So this is the link of that particular image. So I will copy this link and paste it over here. And also I will set its width and height as well. So I will say height equal to 500 pixels and width equal to 500 pixels. Okay, so now my image is ready, and if I save this and run this project, as you can see, I have my image over here, but when I click on this, nothing is happening because I haven't used any of JavaScript yet. So to include JavaScript, I'm not going to use any button over here like on click function or on change event. I am just going to add a click event. So whenever I will click on anywhere in my whole body, the color of this car will change. So first of all, add a script tag, and inside script tag, also let me give it type is equal to text and JavaScript. I will create a constant variable const bg equal to document dot get element by id, and let's say I assign the id equal to mybg. Let me create a div for this mybg. So I will create a div id equal to mybg, and inside this div I will write or I will just copy and paste this. Okay, so now let me refresh my project. So as you can see, we have this text here as well. So now I'm going to create a function so that whenever I will click on this part, the background color will be changed. I have this ID written over here, and now I will say bg dot add event listener. Let's say click, and function, I will name it as my function. And now I'm going to create this function. So I will say function my function, and inside this function I'm going to write the logic of color changing. So I will say var color r equal to math dot floor, and I will say math dot random static 256. So what this will do, this will create a random color. So also I will add three more colors over here because I'm going to use RGB. So that's why I will say color R. This will create a random color. Now I will create another color G. This will create another random color also for B. So let me copy this and paste this two more times. And now what I will do is bg dot style dot background color equal to RGB. So I will say plus color R plus color G, and now I will copy this color B and I will close it over here. So yes, I have added the script as well. So now let me let me save this and refresh the page. So now when I will click on this, as you can see, the color of this div is changing whenever I am clicking on this. But now I want that whenever I will click anywhere in the body, the color of this car also has to change. So to do this, I'm going to do a little bit of styling over here. So I'm going to use a style tag, and now inside my style tag, let's say it's a body, I'm going to use body padding 0, margin 0, and overflow hidden. I'm using overflow hidden because I don't want a scroll bar in my page, so that's why. So now I'm going to use that particular div, my bg, this one, and inside this I will say position absolute and width 100%, height 100%, top 0, and let's say mix blend mode equal to, and background color let's say crimson. I have added position absolute and width and height 100% because this will cover the whole body, and also it's absolute, that's why it's covering the whole body. So now whenever I will click anywhere in the body, this will consider it as my bg. So as you can see, the color of our car has been changing. Why? Because we have made this whole div as absolute, and we have given this as 100% width and height. So that's why it is covering almost all the part of the body. Also you can set this heading. You can simply say h1 and margin left, let's say 50%. So this will, so now we have almost this kind of project over here. So I hope that you will like this video. Basically the purpose of this video is not to style this project. I just want to show you this cool feature of JavaScript so that you can use this in any of your project if you want. So you can style it later on. And also if you want the source code of this project, you can simply come to my website and you can type snipbyte.com, and from here you can go to the projects, and this is the project that I have created right now. So you can simply, if you are not able to find this project, you can simply type color changing. So as you can see, I have this project written over here. So I can simply copy the whole code. This is the whole code. I have explained each and everything in detail. So you can simply copy this piece of code and paste it in your index.html. So I have pasted it, and when I will refresh this, so as you can see, I have the same output like this. So this is the project. I hope that you will like this project. I will see you next time with a new project.